want to talk about some of the headlines very quickly. This projection or perception that we will have some post-election violence, and KwaZulu-Natal particularly is on high alert. Can you confirm if that's your expectation?
Well, maybe it's because of some statements made by some, I don't want to say by some political parties, because those people that were saying those statements were not official spokesperson for those. For instance, we arrested some few people. One of them is your homeboy, Visven.
My homeboy? You mean he comes from KZN? This is the Visven Reddy from MK Party.
Visven, not Vivian.
Yes, we know. Yeah. Vivian went online and said, it's not me. Yeah. Yes, Minister.
Visven was arrested. He's caught going for such statements. There is other young man who was making silly statements like those, Kanyil and all that. In Umtata, we arrested two. Again, they're in court today, having made those statements, calling for violence and all that. So that made us look the period after elections, because statements like saying if we don't get 2/3, I don't know, I think somebody was daydreaming. There is no 2/3 here. If we don't get 2/3, there will be blood and all that kind of thing. So we're to prepare, but we prepared because of our own structures. They tell the story, especially the intelligence world. Both crime intelligence, state security, and the defense. We are fine, but our preparations end between 24 and 48 hours after the announcement of the results. Not necessarily because people fight. Some they must be over celebrate, some must be over disappointed, and then they come together and those clash. We are ready for that. After Sunday, we're glad that the announcement is much earlier on Sunday rather than later, so it gives us space to deal with whatever eventuality.
So just want to go back to your off-the-cuff comment there around there will be no 2/3. What are you talking about? Are you calling this election, Minister? No, are you seeing a pattern that might emerge in the province in terms of the contestation?
It's a good dream to have, but 2/3.
You're talking about MK.
I want to say, while MK was making that call and all that kind of thing, it's a call that is very tough. If it happens, good for them, but the problem is a statement that said if it doesn't happen, then there is a problem. That comes to us. If they get 2/3, well and done, congratulations.
But you said they're daydreaming. They'll be daydreaming.
Well, it's a good, I say it's a good daydreaming. It's a good, yeah. But don't then, if you don't get it, and then come back and try to find other ways of getting it, because on that one we are moving to the security cluster.
Ishiya abaningi betitekile lenkulumo kaMinister Bheki Cele mayethi bayaphupha abakhuluma nge 2/3 majority.